Hello and welcome to our Shopify tutorial video. Today, I will guide you on how to add different mega menus to your Shopify store part 2. The part 1 video link is given in the description. So, let's start with creating menus and submenus. First, go to navigation from the Shopify dashboard. We have already created the main menu in the first part of our tutorial. Now we have to create extra menus and submenus. For that, click on Add Menu and give the title you want. Then click on Add a Menu item to create menus. For example, I'm giving Header 1 as a name and hashtag as a link. Like that, I have created Header 2 and Content 1. For the submenu, drag and drop Content 1 into Header 1. Likewise, I have created 4 content for each header. And click Save. Like the header menu, I have created 4 menus and submenus. Now we have successfully created some extra menus and submenus. For creating a tab menu, go to your Shopify dashboard and click Customize. Click the header from the left side, click on Add a Block and select Tab Menu. On the map item from the right side, you have to type the menu on which the mega menu should appear. On the tab menu style, leave the horizontal as it is. Move to tab 1. On tab heading, remove the heading and type as your wish. Am typing header. Click on the select menu. List of menus appears. From that, am selecting the header menu that we created before and click select from the bottom. Am changing the column style into 1:1:2. On the banner, click select image to add an image. Move to tab 2. On the tab heading, am giving the footer, and select the footer menu. On column style, am changing 4 columns into 1:1:2 and selecting an image for the banner. Move to tab 3. On the tab heading, am giving the parent menu, and select the parent menu. On column style, am changing 4 columns into 5 columns and selecting an image for the banner. Move to tab 4. On the tab heading, am giving the child menu, and select the child menu. On column style, am changing 4 columns into 5 columns and selecting an image for the banner. After completion, click Save at the top. Let's see the preview for the tab menu. This is a horizontal version of the tab menu. If you want the vertical version, go back to Customization and change the tab menu style from horizontal to vertical. Let's see the preview. This is the vertical version of the tab menu. Now, I have explained all 5 different types of mega menus. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. And happy selling!